Hey y'all, it's me, Mac and KD. I'm trying to get the last of this light because it's been a good time out here, man. I'm at my little spot and, you see the backdrop. It's calm now. The kids done went in. We cool and it's quiet. And I actually can get my thought process together because the last one I was actually just trying to just do some things around the children, having fun, and just stuff of that nature. But I really wanted to discuss the urgency of what we can do as a people. You know what I mean? Because we have things, the main thing we do have, and I'm going to tell you this, the main thing we have that we know can put it together for us and bring our mindset together. We look at the pyramids in Egypt. We know what we can do and accomplish when we come together. You know, you look at the pyramids, you have scholars, you have scientists, you have minds that can't figure out how those things are done right now to this day. But you know, we have just had so much turmoil. As people, we've had to come back and break through. Our cosmic connection with God is broken. You look at what happened with the Japanese at Nagasaki and, Hiroshima. In one day, those people were devastated and had to start really had to start over. Can you look at the magnitude of that? Can you imagine that? And then you have now these game playing people. It's just like trying to do, I'm doing these videos. As I do the videos, I'm getting all kind of people wanting to challenge me. They're doing their videos. You can't piggyback off of my stuff and what I'm doing because I'm not going to even get into it with you because if you're not qualified, if God didn't call you to do it, there's no competition for this. There's no competition in doing this. Either you're going to be heard. You're gonna plant seeds because it's not a rat race for me. It's not a monetary thing for me. It's not anything like that. Those that know me know, hey, when they see me, I know they go, hey, that's KD. That's Mac and KD. And, I think the draw is the personality and what goes on. They know the truth is in it. The truth is always in it. I'm just moving the phone around because I'm trying to keep this light coming. Because just the quality of the video. But my thing is this. We're looking around in America and where people are making all kinds of excuses. It's like, for instance, when I type in caps. That's what I do. What I say needs to be heard and it will be heard. It's not that I type in caps. It's just that the English language is limited. It has always been limited. I was having a discussion with partner of mine, very knowledgeable. We're talking about the periods, the italics, the semicolons, the broken. That language is too limited to be expressed by people like me. I'm a black man. We are expressive people. That's why we could do it through music, art, all that. The English language is so limiting to people. We're beyond that. We're really beyond it. And it's time, man. The cosmic payback has come. You can no longer get over and lie and kill the people off with foolishness. I'm just telling you, we have to embrace who we are. We have to come together. People can't be constantly feuding and doing the things they're doing. Are you watching the Empire show? I know from listening to someone knowledgeable that the writing and the vision for the show is turning into straight doo-doo. The writing is raggedy. It's far-fetched. You're trying to make the black male effeminate. It's a terrible operation. There you go. But that's a part of the matrix. It's a part of the matrix. And you could be in it if you want. That's your business. But I'm just going to tell you, watch what goes on. All of the conspiracy theories or whatever people were saying, I was talking about, like the 49ers. Not only did I tell you if Randy Moss wasn't the co-MVP with Kaepernick a few years ago, not only were they not going to go to the Super Bowl or win, their whole empire was going to crumble. And look at what's going on right now. You better look at the cosmic and what's going on. And this is what's happening with European. This is what's happening with white America. The payback has come. You have to pay back for what you did to Japanese people with those bombs. You have to pay back what you've done to black man for all the. You're going to be held accountable. It's going to balance. The scales are going to balance themselves. That's what the cosmos does. You know, we're going to connect back with God, and we're going to retrace our steps, and we're going to come back, and we're going to come back strong as a people. If people righteously start to stand for what they're supposed to stand for. But all this foolishness and the police killings, and now you've seen that 90% of the stops was geared towards dogging black people. I mean, how much information do you need before you step up and do something where you stand, people? Because me, I'm not a part of the matrix, and I'm really not. That's why those who come and attach themselves to my videos and want to do debates, you can't debate with me. You didn't even have a cool girlfriend before you had a show or a gold chain or a car or anything. So I really don't even address people like that. And that's what kind of people are on these televisions, giving advice, getting advice from the getting ill advice from the ill-advised. You got people trying to advise you on your marriages and doing things like that who don't know a thing, got ulterior motives, want to be up in the house with your man, want to be up in the house with your woman, giving you all this bad and bunk advice and all that. Man, you got to wake up, people. You got to wake up. You got to wake up and you got to see God. You can't keep putting glue on top of your head and chemicals and weaves and disconnect from the sun and think you're not going to be crazy, ladies. You have to be connected to the sun. You have to be connected to God in order to think straight. You can't even think straight for all them matted weaves and glue and chemicals and all that on your hair. And brothers, you got to stop shaving your hair off. Your crown, your curls, they represent the scallops, they represent the spirozota, they represent the snails, they represent the patterns inside the fruit, the pineapples, the cabbage, the pomegranates. All that stuff has a cosmic number if you research it. Research it. The curls on your very head are connected to that, connected to God. You can't keep doing it. You can see people are getting dumber and dumber. And that is for real. So I'm just saying, threw some things out there. Wanted to just follow up while I had some light and I was kicking back. And I'm going in here with the kids as we prepare for another week at the school, putting in work, lacing people, trying to bring young people along, giving them some truth, honor, respect, trying to get them up off of that Christopher Columbus, that foolishness. But you guys look at what I'm telling you, because Albert Einstein said it. Albert Einstein said that European man owes Japanese man, black man, all the people they've robbed, raped, and pillaged from. And if Albert Einstein is considered one of your smartest minds and he says that, hey, we know God said it. Then Albert Einstein said it right behind, and then it's a whole bunch of us conspiracy theorists who've been saying things for years and years that happen to come in fruition. Just happened to. Maybe we're just lucky like that. But with that being said, God bless you and keep you. Mac and KD hollering at you. You know, life is good and gravy everywhere I be, no matter where we stand, no matter where we sit. Always each one, teach one, reach one. Give God the glory. God bless you and keep you. Till next time.